Di ba? Kasi, ano yung sense making? How do I make sense of these things that are happening around me now? And then second, how do I learn from it? Okay? So, ano ba ang key? Lalo na ngayon, no, where a lot of things are being challenged, no? Buka and bani. Okay. Leaders who thrive learn quickly. Mabilis ka bang matuto? Unlearn, are able to unlearn outdated habits. Pag hindi na effective, iniiwan ko na. No? Binabago ko na. Hindi na siya effective eh. Relearn new approaches. So they're able to unlearn and then relearn. Also help their teams adjust continuously. Okay. So this is the leadership component of it. You learn quickly, you unlearn, you relearn, and then you help people to be able to adjust quickly and make small improvements even when conditions are uncertain. Okay. Ano yung mga elements of learning agility? One, experimentation. Ano ibig sabihin ng experimentation? Trying new approaches and testing ideas on a small scale.